Sure, that might be the seal. There's a seal taking up residency. Oh. Seal. What's that, the otter? That's the otters. Don't get too close because you can see how far away we are, because they'll disappear straight away. It's actually nice to see them. It's normally a mum and it's a little bit more. A mum and there's two young from last time. Having a bit of fun. Maybe on that part the tide's going out, so it might bring some nice food for them. That's it. As soon as you know anyone's around, they're gone. So I'm just trying to get up here. Let's see if we can get a nice picture of them. It's time of year as well because it's so quiet. You actually hear the vibrations. Look, they're catching something. I've got the camera on full zoom, that's why it's a bit shaky. Oh, hello. I like the way they go up and they lie on their back to eat the food. There's obviously something nice there because they're going up and down.